metal. There is the bar on the right hand side here that indicates a percentage showing how close you are to the object. There is also a centimeter showing here, which shows the distance away from the object. It measures up to 8 centimeters away from the sensor. So that will be either the depth or the distance across at the depth as well, diagonally. If we look at the back of the tool, this section here is where our sensor is. So running straight down the middle in each direction is going to be your most sensitive area, that being the center of the sensor.